Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing May's mini Vettsy box. Just before we get into it, I want to quickly say that this will be the last mini Vettsy box that I will be unboxing, because I've decided to cancel this subscription and I've subscribed to their premium monthly box instead. So you'll still be getting Vettsy, it'll just be their bigger box rather than their mini one. So let's see what I got for me. Move all the rubbish out of the way. Okay, the first thing I see are some stickers. So, okay, Christmas. This is May. Why they're putting Christmas stickers in, I do not know. And then we've got some cute little love hearts. The next thing I see is this. And it has multiple different things in, and very blue, and some seashells and stars and love hearts. Pretty. The next thing I see are some foils. I actually have these set of foils already, so this complete set here I've already got, so I have lots of them. The next thing I see is this. So it is, I think it's meant to be like a little palette ring, so you can put on your finger and you put some polish on there. You know, so when you're doing somebody's nails like this, and you can like this, very nice. It's in a doggy paw, which I do like as a, you know, I'm a dog lover and I have a dog. Now the next thing, I see is this. Let's open it up. No writing on it. It's a nice pretty pink colour. Oh, okay, so we've got a wax dotting tool on the end, and then we have a little tiny one. So that's a super cute rhinestone slash gem picker-upper. Next I see we've got two little trays that you can use to put your rhinestones, gems in, stuff like that. Also in pink, very, very nice. The next thing I see is this. So this is a cuticle pusher and scraper, very, very nice. And then on this end, if I sort of turn it, it wants to concentrate on the stuff I've got down by here. So if I turn it sideways, like that. So what you do is you peel off one of these and you stick it on like that, and then you can with your cuticles. Very, very nice. And the next things I see are all of these. So we'll put them off to the side and we'll go through them one by one. So the first one I see is this one. Little tiny circles in nice spring colours. And we have this mixed glitters here. And this, I believe, is some chrome powder. So we're quite lucky. Ooh, I have a black table. We can see what colour it is. It's showing up purple on my camera. Yeah, purple, like a purple. Trying to get that off now. So some nice purple chrome. Put the lid on properly. Then we have these two, which look like the same thing but in different colours. I was going to say if I can open the packaging. So here we have like a greeny bluey colour, greeny yellow blue, and then a pink, and it's like tiny little bits of fibres. I don't really know what you would call it. Not quite sure what you would use it for either, but it is pretty. Put that off to the side, and then all we've got left are the polishes, and I'm guessing one of them is a cat eye because you always get a magnet, and I've got like 20 of these now. My kid loves to play with them. So we have number 19, Sugar High, number 33 in Stunning, and then this one, let's open it up. We have Vettsy Cat Eye Neon. So I am going to go and swatch these, and I will be back to let you know how they look. Okay guys, so we are back. I've brought you a little bit closer. These were the polishes that we got in this month's mini Vettsy box. Number 19, Sugar High, number 33, Stunning, and Cat Eye Gel in Neon. And I've made some swatches. So the first one be in Sugar Rush. And this is with 2 coats on. It's very nice, but as you can see, quite like jelly, see-through. As I said, that's with 2 coats on, but it is a very nice, subtle, pale pink shimmer. Then the next one we have is number 33 in Stunning. And here we go. A very nice nude colour. This is with 2 coats, which covers quite well, as you can see. And then the third one is the Cat Eye Gel in Neon. And here we go, in a way that the light can catch it. So you can see it's like a nice, really bright blue, and sort of going into like a deep, dark purple, almost black colour. Very, very nice. So they were the 3 colours we got in this month's box. I'm super excited to come up with a design using them. If you'd like to see that, please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And I will see you in another video, guys. Bye.